In the deep blue ocean, swimming all around, little fish go swish, swish without a sound. Big blue whale go splash with a mighty tail, singing ocean songs like a gentle tale. Octopus wiggles with 8 long arms, dancing in the sea with its wavy charms. Tiny seahorse floats so slow, riding ocean currents as they gently flow. Shark swims fast with a swish and glide, through the deep blue ocean far and wide. Jellyfish jiggle soft and bright, floating in the water like a glowing light. Crab goes sideways on the sandy shore, click clack claws saying explore, explore. Dolphins jump high with a happy cheer, splashing in the waves, spreading joy and cheer. Sea turtle swims with a calm, slow pace, carrying its shell like a cozy space. Starfish rests on the ocean floor, 5 arms stretching out and more. Clownfish hide in coral bright, playing peekaboo all day and night. Lobster crawls with a click and snap, waving big claws with a little clap. Eel slithers smoothly, long and thin, hiding in rocks with a sneaky grin. Manta ray glides like it's flying free, dancing like a bird in the deep blue sea.